What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your online banking account of Standard Chartered. So it's pretty simple. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on because we post tutorial videos similar like this. So for future videos like this, turn on the notification and let's move forward. So the first step you want to do is Standard Chartered login. Search for it in the Google and click on the second link over here. And it will take you to this website. Over here, just click on login and click on where it says online banking. Now once you click on online banking, it's going to take you to the login page of online banking site of Standard Chartered. Over here, just enter your username and then enter the password of your account over here like this. And just click on login and you should be able to log in into your Standard Chartered online banking account. So hope you guys understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.